Most of us fail because when we learn about the price of success, we run the other way. Don't run. Believe in yourself. When they show you who they are, believe them. Don't give a pass. Don't give the benefit of the doubt. Believe them. No one is required to believe your dreams except for you. That's why the dream was given to you. Hold on to them, protect them, and most importantly, pursue them. Believe in yourself. Opportunities are often missed because they are dressed in overalls and look like work. With great success comes great work. There is not one without the other. Roll up those sleeves and get to it. Believe in yourself. The biggest key to success is to start. If you never start, you will never finish. Most people never attain their goals because they fail to try. Don't let that be you. Believe in yourself.
Ya terminé de pintar la segunda mano. Así quedó aquí. Nada mal. Nada mal. Todo instalado. Y bien perrón. Es un poquito de lo que sabemos hacer. Un poquito de lo que sabemos hacer. Nomás vine a limpiar hoy. Quitar esto. Todo bien perrón en el suelo. Ya me voy a ir. Y vámonos.